Okay, for some reason, this Kenmore Elite, or I'm sorry, it's a GE dishwasher wasn't closing. So, looked around, it seems everything's working just fine. You know, this is setting in all the way. So, if you guys run into this problem, this was the fix for me. So this silverware holder, you can pull it out and then take it over to your drawer and empty it that way. So when you put it back, you got to make sure that these tabs here that on either side, that those go into the hooks there and there, because this one was set like this, so it looks like it fits nicely, right? But it just sticks out just that half an inch that won't allow your drawer to shut. So make sure that these go down into those slots right there. Now you can see that they are fit in there nice and flush, and it sticks out right even with that. So we'll shut it, and now it's able to close. Okay, thanks for watching this short video. Hope this helps everyone out there. Have a great day.